You could make as much as $175,000 more on your current job. That's right, $175,000 more without getting a raise or a promotion. Hi, this is Marla Curry. I am a writer, business person, philanthropist, and former educator. You know that person sitting in the next cubicle, doing the exact same job with comparable education and experience? That person might make $175,000 more than you over a career. How? Simply by being a better writer. When I entered the world of business, I thought I was a decent writer, but business writing was a whole different animal. I had an English degree, but college hadn't taught me how to write for real-world business. It caused me a lot of heartache as I struggled to write documents of all sorts, reply letters, recommendations, explanation letters, always seeking the nod of approval from my manager for a job well done. But more often than not, things I had written came back marked up like a fifth grade essay. When I look back now, it cost me in getting timely promotions and earning more money. I sat idly by as colleagues moved into positions of more responsibility, becoming supervisors as I languished on the first tier. I used to struggle to finish documents on time, even a simple reply letter. And writing more complex recommendations was right up there with getting a root canal. And I wasn't alone. I saw others struggling as well. What changed for me? I'll tell you exactly what I did to turn the situation around, and how you can too if you're struggling with written business communications. There are so many people active in the workforce who struggle to write business documents. But you can change the situation. You can earn the respect of colleagues and perhaps improve your job, income, or employment prospects, and it's not hard to do. What does it mean for you to change? Well, there's no more embarrassment at a document's negative feedback. There's no more wasting precious time replying to an email or struggling to write a recommendation. No more seeking a coworker's help to help you write. No more suffering the embarrassing stares of colleagues who view you as a poor writer. No more dreading job performance reviews. No more earning less than you're really worth, and no more self-recriminations. Instead of wasting time on simple tasks, you'll breeze through them quickly and confidently. Instead of dreading a performance review, you'll bask in the accolades. Instead of wondering if writing is holding you back, you'll know writing is a strong asset. Instead of having a reputation as a poor writer, you will have a reputation as a great one. Now, does that sound good? For a limited time, I'm going to reveal little-known facts about how writing ability affects income, career advancement, ego, and credibility in my workshop called 175,000 Reasons to Master Business Writing. Writing is an art, like music or painting. But unlike those two, you don't need a God-given talent to excel at it. It doesn't take a special gift or an Einsteinian aptitude. It can be learned and perfected. And that training starts as early as grade school and should theoretically end by high school, if you're lucky. Most of us aren't, though. In the workshop, I'll tell you why. But those who do master the written word, and I'm not talking about great novelists, I'm talking about the average working stiff standing in front of you on the bank line. They're reaping benefits that last a lifetime. And it's not just college grads. There's a debilitating emotional toll of being a bad writer. Poor writers harbor this secret shame. There's personal embarrassment, loss of credibility, being the brunt of water cooler jokes, self-recriminations, chastisement by supervisors, not to mention lost promotions and no raises, and being forced to take embarrassing remedial classes even. But perhaps worst of all, losing a job. Think being STEM competent is the ticket to a quarter office? Think again. I'll tell you why strong writers are the new whiz kids of the business world. I'm going to tell you why you can't afford not to be a better business writer. Why am I doing this? Because as a working person in corporate America, I've experienced firsthand and seen the personal angst and self-recrimination of colleagues who couldn't write well. I felt deeply for work friends who once again didn't get the raise or promotion because of their writing. But it wasn't until I learned the financial impact of poor writing that I felt I had to spread the word that no one working in business today can afford to take their writing skills for granted. If you've ever wondered about your writing ability or wondered if writing might be holding you back, I encourage you to attend this workshop, and I guarantee you'll learn things you didn't know, perhaps about yourself, that will convince you why you can't afford not to write well. These workshops fill up fast, so don't delay in securing your spot.